Collectiv was great in helping us right from when we started on the journey with Acterys. Then the knowledge that they have both about Power BI as well as Acterys is definitely something that we found to be very useful. The Collectiv team is just awesome in terms of partnership, and there's no hyperbole when I use the word partners. Yeah, hi, I'm Bharat. I'm the VP Planning Analytics at American Tire Distributors. ATD, as it's called, is the largest independent tire distributor in US and in Canada. I'm responsible for both the planning tools and applications used across the organization, as well as the spectrum of reporting, business intelligence, as well as advanced analytics, where we do machine learning models, MLOps, and create applications that provide insights and also prescriptive actions for the business. The challenges are what you would expect. Any large enterprise, right? A lot of data sources, a lot of integration debt that builds up over time as the company gets increasing amount of third-party SaaS solutions. You need to integrate that to be able to make sense of it and provide the detailed insights that the business looks for. You need detail, but you also need summaries. And putting it all together, especially from a planning point of view. So we had the legacy application that was built in Excel. And there were 350 versions of that spreadsheets that were used by the warehouse managers for their labor planning. And to make sense of them, to analyze that was just about impossible. And as people customized it, there were 350 different flavors. So it wasn't a process that was sustainable, even though it had been in existence for a while. One of the big projects that we took on with Acterys, and part of the reason why we brought Acterys in was that it was a tool that was scalable across the organization. The application that we were building was targeted at 350 plus users, so almost 500 users. As you can imagine, lots of data sources that had to be integrated, and then the UI UX was the absolutely critical component. It had to be easy to use, and Actress combined with Power BI was a great tool for that. And Collectiv really helped us simplify the UI as well as craft a UX that was really appreciated by the team. So what's great about Collectiv is their consulting is aimed at the users, right? So, often consultants are coming and targeting the senior team. Whereas with Collectiv, they were always working and partnering with the actual doers. They've been really good at training the team so that they are capable of handling the problems in the future, sharing the knowledge, but also sharing the best practices and giving advice proactively. Collectiv likes to describe their services as CaaS, consulting as a service, and from what I understand, how that differs from consulting is just the level of flexibility that they offer. And often you find some consultants, they are selective in what they share and how they share it, where we found Collectiv to be extremely transparent, really good to work with in that sense. They were approachable, down to earth. They were generous with their hours, with the time, in providing us the insights and support that we needed. We really enjoyed the experience. Collectiv brought a level of insights, but also a level of partnership that was really refreshing and fun to work with. So Collectiv has definitely helped us shrink the time to market for the applications that the teams have been building. I think with Collectiv's help, we've definitely shaved off 4 weeks, 8 weeks, depending on the application. For some applications, even, I would probably be saying we've shaved off a couple of months. So it's definitely been valuable having them supporting us and available to answer questions and guide the teams when it was required.